To fully immerse yourself in a game, you need space to set up peripherals like your mouse, keyboard, headset rack, speakers, and maybe multiple monitor stands. If you live stream your gaming sessions to Twitch or YouTube, you may also want room for a microphone, boom stand, and other equipment. While a gaming room is ideal for hobbyists and pros alike, it's not an option for most people, especially if you rent or live with family and friends. However, a corner with the right furniture can work just as well if you invest in a high-quality gaming desk. Number 5. Eureka Ergonomic, upgraded version. Z60 gaming desk is equipped with many gaming accessories, including a cup holder, headphone hook controller stand, and a mousepad. You will have the perfect battle station to destroy your competition. Large gaming surface. The Eureka desk has a wide 60-inch carbon fiber textured desktop with plenty of surface for your gaming monitors, gaming keyboard, and other gaming gear. The surface measures 60 inches wide by 24 inches deep, supports up to 500 lbs. Dynamic RGB lighting. The side armor has RGB LED lights to give you the best gaming experience possible. Pick your favorite color or dynamic RGB multicolor light show. Experience your game like never before. Safe and reliable. Our products comply with all California toxic substances regulations, including formaldehyde, heavy metals, and other strict inspections. For the safety of your children and pets, please check product certification before you have it. Customer service. We hold our products to a high standard and hope you have an excellent experience using our gaming desks. Number 4. Arazi Arena. About Arazi. Arazi is a Swedish company founded in 2013. Our products are built in the spirit of esports and feature ergonomic design with high levels of comfort. Arazi's portfolio currently features gaming desks, computer chairs and glasses, streaming optimized microphones, and a racing simulator. The 160 cm 5 feet 3 inches width allows for 3 large monitors to envelop you in the game environment. The 80 cm 2 feet 7.5 inches depth gives you a huge field of play for your mouse, keyboard, or other devices. Design of the custom mousepad, which has a microfiber cloth surface which is water-resistant. Arena is available in 5 attractive colors: red, blue, green, white, and black. Adjust the feet to stabilize the desk. Loosen the screws to set up the height. Arena is designed for easy transport since the desktop and frame are divided into 3 sections. Number 3. Respawn. Metal. Plastic height adjustable gaming desk uses pneumatics to go from 28.125 to 43.875, and was built to withstand battle after battle, but this PC gaming station can also be used as an office desk to get through the daily grind. Accessory solutions keep your gaming gear within arm's reach with raised speaker shelves and headphone and cup holder spots that help keep you focused on the action. Eye-level action achieved with the raised desktop monitor shelf, 28.75 LX 8.625 inches. D. An award-nominated brand, Respawn is committed to your satisfaction. Ergonomic gaming desk has a steel tube frame, contoured support, adjustable glides, and a beveled front edge that alleviates forearm stress to help you level up in comfort. Durable gaming table holds up to 200 pounds, measures 42 L by 23.625 D by 33.5, 49.5 H, and is available in contrasting colors that match Respawn chairs so you can complete your battle station. Number 2. Eureka Ergonomic, large desk surface. Wing-shaped gaming desk measures 72 inches wide by 24 inches deep, supports up to 400 lbs. Ergonomic desktop provides flexible room for your abdomen and arms, designed for the people who sit for a long time. Large gaming desktop with smooth carbon fiber texture easily hold gaming gears, music studio, or live streaming devices. Fully functional. Gaming desk comes with 2 monitor shelves with RGB lights for PC gamers and streaming. 2 iPad grooves to place the mobile phones and tablets. 2 cable management holes and 2 power socket holders keep your field tidy. A cup holder and a dual headphone holder on both sides of the desktop. You will have the perfect battle station to destroy your competition. Table with keyboard tray. It can move up and down and rotate 360 degrees, and you can easily get a comfortable keyboard position, which greatly relieve the pain of your hands. Pull it backward under the desk if not needed. The keyboard tray comes with a mousepad, and also a customized full desk mousepad contained. Safe and reliable. Eureka desk complies with all California toxic substances regulations, including formaldehyde, heavy metals, and other strict inspections. For the safety of your children and pets, Each board comes with a certificate of origin which meets the Felling standards and is only listed after passing tens of thousands of beat tests. Number 1. Green Forest. Reversible L-shaped gaming desk. L-shaped computer desk meets different customers' need. You can customize the shelves on your left or right, follow personal habits. You can choose different installation directions we offered. 2-tier storage shelf. This corner desk comes with 2-tier open shelf to keep your files and books at hand. The inner of shelf could storage something you are not used frequently. Put commonly used books, files and other items outside the shelf, which can help you keep everything you need at work within arm's reach. Super sturdy and durable home office desk. Writing study desk built with environmental P2 particle wood. It ensure the desktop waterproof and scratch proof. The thickened legs to increased enough sturdiness and durability to hold office equipment, books, movies, video games, and collectibles. Convenient gaming desk. Modern style L computer desk with 2 different color that will beautify your home office, study room, bedroom studio, which also can be used as corner desk, computer desk, gaming desk, writing table. Don't worry about the assemble. All the needed hardware, screws, tools and clear assembly instructions are included.